we are going to review the Polish X, actually Lucky Beauty X Polish collaboration. So I have here, this is their multi-use eyeshadow stick. So I got in the shade Athena. So maraming shades to. So this is a swatch and this is while it blends. Okay. Pero let's see. Gamitin natin siya as an overall eyeshadow. And let's see if it makes the difference. Oh! Guys, I remember sa lahat ng eyeshadow sticks na na-try ko, ito ay pareho sila ni... They are the same formula with the stitch and in detail na clay pen nila because this is so pigmented. Kasi ito yung pinili ko kasi gusto ko yung parang this is perfect for one eyeshadow na lang na kulay na ayaw mo na talaga maglagay ng eyeshadow to powder eyeshadow, gusto mo on the go. This is so efficient and perfect. And this one, it makes my eyes more visible talaga with the color and the shimmers as well. And let's put here. Okay. This is more visible, guys. I see the visibility here in this one. I super duper love the visibilities. Ayan, I super duper love the visibilities of this eyeshadow sticks. And by the way, pwede na siya, may kasama siyang lashes. Unfortunately, wala yung gusto kong lashes dun, but let's see. I want to try cluster lashes so bad. Kasi yung lashes nila, it has a glue. By the way, it has 6 shades with this one. So, nakuha ko. So, this shade, by the way, is Athena. And it comes with the sharpener where you can sharpen this one. And this is not on my bingo card. The collaboration of Lucky Beauty and Polish, it's not on my bingo card, to be honest. Kasi yung mga ganong collab, bihira na lang yun like that. Pero, bihira na lang yun like that. Nakakaloka lang yung collab ni BLK at Tipash. So, Anne and Bea in Lucky Beauty and Polish. That is Andrea Brillantes and Paul Del Rio. Sino si Paul Del Rio? She is the CEO of Bourbon, Glam Hour, and of course, Polish. More on a cluster, yung mga fake lashes. Oh my God, wait lang. Siya, wait lang ha. So, you can sharpen this throughout the face. Kasi gano'n naman yung yung effect ng mga eyeshadow sticks. You can sharpen it. Ayan na, sinarpit ko na siya para may konting sharpness. But, it's very creamy. Napansin ko, it's very creamy and blendable with this one. So, you will ask me if I will get another shades. Definitely yes. I wanted to get Gaia, Celine, and yung dalawang shades na yun, si Gaia at si Celine. But it's not more on a shimmer side. It's more on a matte side. So, na pwede siyang gamitin pang contour and pang contour, nose contour, and multi-use siya. You can use it as your eyeliner and more. So, that's my review for Paula Lucky Beauty X Polish collab.